How to call in Slack. Slack isn't just for messaging. You can also make calls, and here's how to do it. So go ahead and start by opening a direct message with the person you want to call, and then click on this icon at the top right to start a voice call. Once connected, you can switch to video by clicking the camera icon. So calls are named huddle on Slack. So simply click on this to start a huddle, and anyone in the channel or DM can join, and you can even share your screen. So on mobile, you can do this by opening a DM or channel and then tap the phone icon to start a call. Tap the camera icon if you want to switch to video. And that is how to call in Slack.